Welcome back to DelphStack. In this video, I will show you how to fix NINJA GAIDEN 4 not launching or not opening on PC through Steam. First, verify the integrity of the game files in Steam. Open Steam and go to your library. Find NINJA GAIDEN 4 in the list. Right-click on it and select Properties. Then go to Local Files. Click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will now scan the game and replace any missing or corrupted files. Wait for the process to complete, then try launching the game again. If the game still does not launch, update or reinstall your graphics drivers. Outdated or broken drivers can stop the game from starting. If you have an NVIDIA card, go to the official NVIDIA website and download the latest GeForce driver. If you use AMD, download the latest driver from the AMD website. Another important fix is installing or repairing Microsoft Visual C Redistributables. Many games need these files to run. Go to the official Microsoft website and download the latest Visual C redistributable packages. Install them, or choose Repair if they are already installed. After that, restart your computer and try launching the game again. One of these steps should fix the problem and get NINJA GAIDEN 4 running on your PC.